Jacob.Boyd here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Just want to talk to you today about this Lance 1985-2019 edition. First, we're just going to start off with some of the things that kind of really showcase the quality that Lance builds into all of their trailers. They start off, they really kind of make sure to all their design is really useful, and they think about how you would use the trailer. So we start off with the electric tongue hitch, smart tongue jack. Remembers the height at which you actually set it, and so you can actually just press a button and it will return to that height. It remembers the height you take it off at. You push a button, take it off there. It's really smart, pretty simple to use, really helps out in hooking up and actually getting out to camp in the first place. So I'm going to take you around the side here. They also have each of their batteries for the slide outs are actually interior batteries. They come out on some slides here, and so you're not actually leaving your batteries exposed for any reason. At the same time, right beside that you have your big pass-through here, which one really neat feature is that it actually has a battery disconnect switch. Makes it really easy when you're actually setting it up to store. You don't have to actually go in and disconnect your batteries so they're not draining them just passively as it's sitting there. You can just turn that off, boom, no more drainage from there. We come around the side, and also you're noticing all of these frameless windows, which are really nice. They're acrylic windows. You're getting a lot of storage in this unit. Each of these storage compartments, they have magnetic latch hinges here. They cannot fail. They're magnets. Makes it really simple. They're not the flange latches there at all. And in the rear, you're still getting some more storage. A huge compartment in the rear for a lot of other extra gear. We're going to start off. We also have an outdoor shower, hot, cold. Really helps out if you're fishing or if you're at the beach. You just need to get some sand off your feet and so forth. Come around the back. Lance actually makes it so you can actually get up on the roof. They expect you to go up there and have a peek at your gaskets, your seals and whatnot, and they give you the ability to do so. If you come around to the front, you have a really big grab handle here. And one of the features that's really cool in the Lance is that they have these trough storage assemblies. It goes all the way through, it goes in both directions as well, so it makes it so that whatever you put in the center, you're not going to have to crawl inside to get out. You can actually just put it in there and bring it to you. There's also lights in there, so nothing's actually going to get lost. Keyless entry. Here, just remember the numbers. You're not going to have to worry about your keys. At the same time, this Lance is 4 season certified, which means independent insulation and heating of each of the black, the gray, and the freshwater tanks. Let's just go inside and have a peek. Now, what you notice here right off the bat is that all of the couches and any of the seating is all leather upholstery. It's really, really nice quality. Hardwood on everything. Really great hardware on each of the hinges. And what we're looking at here is a Murphy's bed unit. And so it's pretty simple, just to jackknife that down and to bring your bed forward super simply. No fuss, no hassle. Took less than 10 seconds to do. It happens the same way in the morning. They also give you some really nice counter space on either side for either a CPAP machine or anything you need to keep plugged in overnight. Tons of plugs, USBs, 110s, and an inverter as well. If we come over here to the huge U-shaped dinette. Again, leather upholstery on this thing, very nice, hand-stitched construction. And under each side of the dinette, really smart, simple pull-out trays. Hardwood on these things as well. Really nice construction. And if we get into the dinette, I could feature something for you. They've really thought about a lot of the things you're going to need for it. So you have your day-night shades, super simple, pull-down, 2-level shades, blackout shades for the night, and then you have your it's kind of passive see-through shades for the day. You still get a lot of light in here. So we're looking at the kitchen here. Really nice hardware. We're actually pointing it with a big single basin sink, so you can actually get your pans and your pots in there to actually wash them. Pull out faucet head, and lots of storage again. You have your 3-burner stove, and the cover for the stove actually acts as its own backsplash, which is really, really nice. They have a pretty sizable oven. We could actually make cookies and even a casserole or two. Really nice hinges and kind of hardware on this fridge. It's pretty smart construction and design on this guy. And then we're going into the bathroom. The bathroom has actually done a really smart move here with actually having, instead of a curtain, which a lot of them have, they have a silicone curtain, which makes it a lot easier to use and to clean and make sure it's not actually going to come outside the shower and to get the floors wet either way. It connects really easily, slides super simply, and beyond that, if we're looking a little bit farther in here, we have really nice hanging space, a lot of closet space in this unit. And this is also a porcelain step toilet, which is really nice. If you have any other features that you need showcase on this, or have any other questions, give me a call, 773-655-7190. My name is Jake at Guaranty RV. Thanks.